Happy morning to everyone. From today onwards, we are going to see about Unit 4 hydrogen lesson. In this session, we will see about what about the position of hydrogen, how will you prepare the hydrogen, what about the physical and chemical properties of hydrogen. Next, what about the isotopes of hydrogen. Finally, we are going to see about what about the compounds of hydrogen. We will see some of the example. How will you prepare that? What about the physical and chemical properties of the compounds of hydrogen. Now, we will go to the lesson Unit 4 hydrogen. Hydrogen. Now, in this video, we are seeing about position of hydrogen in periodic table. Second one, isotope of hydrogen. Third, what about the methods of preparation of properties and uses of dihydrogen. First, what about the hydrogen? We will see the one general introduction about the hydrogen. Hydrogen in Greek word means water produces. Hydrogen has the simplest atomic structure among all the elements around us in nature. In atomic form, it consists of only one proton and neutron. Only one proton and one electron. However, in elemental form, it exists in a diatomic molecule and is called dihydrogen. So, இங்கே சொல்லும்போது என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கனாக்கா இந்த இருக்கிற எலமெண்ட்லேயே ரொம்ப ஸ்மால் எலமெண்ட் எதுனாக்கா ஹைட்ரஜன். Same like it has to contains one proton and one electron. There is no any neutron. It can exist as a diatomic molecule. It is called dihydrogen. Next, we will see what about the position of hydrogen. If you see the position of hydrogen, it can exist. Maybe it can be present right side of the periodic table or left side of the periodic table, or otherwise the middle of the periodic table. So there are different positions there. Now we'll see what is the exact position of hydrogen in modern periodic table. We will analyze that. First one, for now only you said the hydrogen is a lightest element. The lightest element known having atomic number 1. It is called dihydrogen. What is the position of the periodic table? It has assembled with alkali metals and also halogens. In modern periodic table, it is first located in the first group. அப்போ என்ன சொல்ல போகிறோம்னாக்கா என்ன சொல்கிறோம்னாக்கா இருக்கிற எலமெண்ட்லேயே ரொம்ப லைட்டஸ்ட் எலமெண்ட் ஹைட்ரஜன் அட்டாமிக் நம்பர் 1. இட் கேன் எக்ஸிஸ்ட் எஸ் டயட்டாமிக். இட் இஸ் கால்டு டயட்ரஜன். இந்த பொசிஷனை வந்து நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணும்போது இட் ஹாஸ் டு தேர் ஆர் 2 ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் கேன் பி சிமிலர் டு த அட்டாமிக் metals and also halogen. But in modern periodic table, the hydrogen can be located in the first group. First group எதுக்கு வச்சிருக்காங்க. So what is the reason? So ஃபைனலாக சொல்லும்போது the position எங்கே இருக்குது? The first group, the left side of the periodic table. So we'll see what about that. First, now only you said it has assembled with the the properties can be like alkali and also halogens. First we'll see what about the alkalis. If I see the electronic configuration, so for the hydrogen, the electronic configuration, the outermost electron can be 1s1, otherwise ns1. Same like the alkali metals also, sodium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. The potassium atomic number will be 19. It has 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. If you see the electronic configuration, it has the same electron same இருக்கு. Next, what about the it has to form electropositive character. Electropositive, what is the meaning of that? It can be produced always positive ions, H+. So same like the alkali metals also, it has to form same electropositive characters like a Na plus, K plus, etc. What of the oxidation will be +1. For the 3 reasons, so we are the 3 reasons on என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னாக்கா இந்த elements may be placed on the alkali metal. Now only you discussed the hydrogen, it has a similar with the alkali metals and also halogens. What are the similarities? Now only discuss. The hydrogen has the electronic configuration of 1s1, which is assembled with the ns1 general valency shell electrons of alkali metals. That shows similarity with them as follows. It has to form uni-positive ions. So it has to form uni-positive ion, and it has to form halides like a alkali metals. And it also acts as a reducing agent. So these are similarities. Sometimes it has some difference also. Some difference. What are the differences there? So it has to differ from the alkali metals. However, unlike alkali metals, with having a ionization energy ranging from 377 to 520 kilojoule mole inverse. The hydrogen has 1314 kilojoule mole inverse, which is a much higher than alkalis. It has இதுக்கு வந்து நிறைய சிமிலாரிட்டி இருந்தாலும் ஸோ ஒரே ஒரு ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி வந்து டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்குது. என்ன ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி? The ionization energy of alkali metals very smaller than that of the ionization energy of hydrogen. Next, the properties resembles with the halogens. So, which are the properties which are similar to the halogen. The first, electronic configuration. Both hydrogen and the halogens contain one electron less than nearest to the noble gas electronic configuration. For example, hydrogen atomic number 1. So, what is the electronic configuration? 1s1 just nearest to the helium. Next, what is the fluorine? Same like the fluorine, the atomic number will be 9. What is the electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p5, it is nearer to the neon. Next, what is the chlorine? The atomic number will be 17. What is the electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5 is nearest to the argon. So, next property, non-metallic character. Hydrogen also non-metal. So, hydrogen is a non-metal, the halogen also non-metal. The second body, both are typically non-metals. Next, what about the atomicity? Atomicity, hydrogen will be dihydrogen. So, it's a diatomic molecule. So, halogen also diatomic molecule. For the fourth property, the formation of similar type of compound. The halogens are test to form halides. Same like the hydrogens are test to form the hydrides. For the example for the carbon tetrachloride, silicon tetrachloride, German tetrachloride. Same like the halogens also test to form the hydrogen, methane, silicon hydride and germanium hydride or carbon hydride. So, next what is the final one? The oxygen state. Both all can exist in the -1 oxygen state. We know that the hydrogens are test to combine with any metal. It can be exist in a -1 oxygen state. Same like the halogens also can exist in a negative oxygen state. These 5 properties are it also similar with the halogens. So, hydrogen it has similar with the alkali metals and also halogen, and also it has some differences there. Since hydrogen has similarity with the alkali metals as well as the halogen, it is difficult to find the right position of the periodic table. However, in most of its hydrogen can exist in a +1 oxidation state. Therefore, it is reasonable to place the hydrogen in the group 1 along with the alkali metals as shown in the latest periodic published by the IUPAC. அப்போ என்னதான் ஹைட்ரஜன் alkali metals halogens எனக்கு ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் சேமாக இருந்தாலும் அந்த ஹாலஜன்ஸோட நம்ம பிளேஸ் பண்ணுறது ரொம்ப டிஃபிகல்ட்டாக இருக்கும் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் த மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த ஹைட்ரஜன் காம்பவுண்ட்ஸ் ஆர் கேன் எக்ஸிஸ்ட் இன் +1 oxygen state. So, finally சொன்னாங்க they are given the reasonable place from the hydrogen can be placed along with the alkali metals or along with the group 1 elements. So, in the latest periodic table. So, that's about the position of the hydrogen. What about the types of dihydrogen? The dihydrogen can be exist here 2 forms. One is called the ortho and para hydrogen. The ortho and para hydrogen it can be differ only the spinning of nucleus. If it is the spinning of nucleus, the spinning will be a same side, that is called ortho. The spinning will be a opposite side, that is called para. இப்போ நம்ம ரெண்டு ஹைட்ரஜன் சேர்ந்தா என்ன சொல்ல போறேன் டை ஹைட்ரஜன் சொல்ல போறேன் அந்த ரெண்டு ஹைட்ரஜன் இருக்கிற நியூக்ளியஸ் ஸ்பின்னிங் பார்த்தாக்கா சேம் சைடா இருந்தாக்கா that is called ortho. If it is a different side, that is called as para. In ortho it has a same side, but in para it is a ortho opposite side. So this is called as ortho and para hydrogen. So in ortho it can exist 70%, the para can exist in 25%. The ortho is more stable, the para is the less stable. So the ortho and para it has to different in the physical properties, but same in the physical property. ரெண்டு இது பார்க்கும்போது physical properties மட்டும் டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கும், but chemical properties எனக்கு சேமா இருக்கும். What chemical properties? So how it is involved in the reaction. Next, what about the atomic hydrogen? The atomic hydrogen is nothing but this is called as a nascent hydrogen or newly born hydrogen. So, புதுசா பிறக்கிற ஹைட்ரஜன் சொல்ல போறேன் atomic hydrogen சொல்ல போறேன். From the dihydrogen you have to produce, you have to prepare one single hydrogen, that is called as a atomic hydrogen. That what about the dihydrogen can be heated at 3270 Kelvin. It has to produce 2H, that is called atomic hydrogen. Is highly reactive. What is the half-life period for the atomic hydrogen? 0.3 seconds. Next, this is called as a nascent hydrogen. The substance produced in contact with the substance to be reduced is known as nascent hydrogen. It is very reactive form of hydrogen, better reducing agent than ordinary hydrogen. So, nascent hydrogen, atomic hydrogen same da. So, newly born hydrogen is called as a atomic hydrogen. எப்படி prepare பண்ணலாம் hydrogen 3270 Kelvin நாம் heat பண்ணும்போது it has to produce atomic hydrogen. What is the delage? Well, the delage means change in enthalpy plus 435.9 kilojoule.